Hi, this is Josh from MarineMax in New York, located on the harbor here in beautiful Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a new trade that we just got in. It's a 2017 34-foot Regulator. As we start here at the transom, you notice this boat has great power with three 300 Yamaha outboards. We have a total of 900 horses. It's got an easy access door here in the transom. Makes boarding the boat from the swim platform pretty easy. We've got live wells here. You also have a pull-out transom seat that's great if you have people on board, if you want to stow it away for fishing. Folds up and away very easily like that. You'll notice here the canvas, this is brand new, put on this year. Great foul weather gear, so new isinglass, new canvas all the way around. Also back here at the leaning post, you see lots of drawers, lots of space for your fishing gear or any other gear that you want to take out on the water for the day. Rocket launchers, you got 5 up top, 4 below, for a total of 9. 2 conveniently placed cup holders. And if we look at the top of the boat as we walk forward, you do have your outriggers there, as well as a Garmin radar. As we move forward to the helm, you'll notice that you have 2 large Garmin multifunction display screens, Edison steering wheel, Yamaha gauges, very comfortable seats. You got 2 seats here, flip-up bolsters, and a nice place to put your feet for comfort. It's a very nice home, very comfortable. Compass here also in line with your view, great placement. Moving forward, notice in the cockpit here in the cabin you'll have a nice size head, Corian countertops, a lot of space, very comfortable. Step into the bow. See, this is a very big bow for this boat. Plenty of room up here. You have the cushion package that's down now, or you can pull this up if you were just out fishing. A lot of room, a lot of space to bring people on board. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat that we have in our inventory here in Huntington, give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you about it. My name is Josh. Looking forward to hearing from you.